Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve an overheating issue on your MacBook Neo. So the MacBook Neo is equipped with A18 processor, A18 Pro processor, which should not cause any overheating. There are no fans inside this laptop, so there is no way it can ventilate, but occasionally it may overheat if it's burdened by some rather resource-hungry application. And if your device is already overheated, then I recommend first of all turning it off by either navigating to the settings, to the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and selecting shutdown, or just by holding down the power button for about 10 seconds. Then just close the lid of your laptop and remove it to some well-ventilated area with just a normal temperature, and just leave it there for a while, let it cool down. And if you want to reduce the overheating in the future, the only reasonable thing that you can do is find the resource-hungry application by entering the activity monitor, which you can do by entering Spotlight and searching for activity monitor in here. Open it and then sort the applications by CPU usage. Now check which applications use up the most of your CPU, and once you find the power hungry application, make sure to disable this app by clicking stop, and remove this application from your apps list and try not to use it in the future, as these applications will constantly cause your device to overheat. Also, the overheating may be caused by some external devices connected to your laptop, so make sure that you are using a good quality hub, or check whether the application, the external devices that you are using with your MacBook aren't damaged in any way. And yeah, besides that, I think check if your device is overheating while charging. Then also make sure that your charging cable and the charging brick for your MacBook are not damaged, and also use the original charging cable and the charging brick included with your laptop, as these would be the most compatible ones. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.